So before going to the topic, we should know something more about the writer. Actually, the name of the writer is Robert Frost, who was born in the year 1874 and died in the year 1963. ହେଲା ରବର୍ଟ ଫ୍ରଷ୍ଟ ରବର୍ଟ ଲି ଫ୍ରଷ୍ଟ ଯାହାର ଫୁଲ୍ ନା ମାନେ ସମ୍ପୂର୍ଣ୍ଣ ନାଁ ହେଉଛି ରବର୍ଟ ଲି ଫ୍ରଷ୍ଟ 1874 ମସିହାରେ ଜନ୍ମଗ୍ରହଣ ହଁ 1874 ମସିହାରେ ସେ ଜନ୍ମଗ୍ରହଣ କରିଥିଲେ ଆଣ୍ଡ ହି ଡାଏଡ୍ ଇନ୍ ଦ ଇୟର୍ 1963 ହେଲା is one of the most popular and critically acclaimed American poets. He is highly regarded for his realistic depictions of rural life and his commands of American colloquial speech. His poetry reveals a keen interest in the varying beauties of nature and the apparently small but deeply meaningful joys and sorrows of ordinary men and women. ମାନେ what are the characteristics we can find in his writing? ତାଙ୍କର ଲେଖାରେ କ'ଣ କ'ଣ ସବୁ ଲକ୍ଷଣ ଦେଖାଯାଇଥାଏ ବୈଶିଷ୍ଟ୍ୟ ଗୁଡ଼ାକ କ'ଣ ହେଉଛି? He always depicts about or on nature ବୁଝିହେଲା and most of his writings are based upon realistic feelings ମାନେ ଅଧିକାଂଶ ତାଙ୍କର ଲେଖା ପ୍ରକୃତ ଜିନିଷ ଉପରେ ପର୍ଯ୍ୟବେସିତ ଥାଏ ବୁଝିହେଲା and every most of his writing give a message to the society ବୁଝିହେଲା ସମାଜକୁ କିଛି କିଛି ମେସେଜ ଦିଏ and also we can say that some of his writing also gives or says something about men and women ହେଲା ସାଧାରଣ ଲୋକମାନଙ୍କର ବିଷୟରେ ବା ସାଧାରଣ ଲୋକମାନଙ୍କର ଚଳଣି ବିଷୟରେ ଲେଖିବାରେ ସେ ପାରଙ୍ଗମ ଥିଲେ and he was regarded as the best poet of ଆମେରିକାର ଗୋଟେ ବେଷ୍ଟ ପୋଏଟ୍ ଭାବରେ ତାଙ୍କୁ ହଁ ସେ ଆମେରିକାର ଗୋଟେ ପୋଏଟ୍ ବୁଝିହେଲା ଆଉ ତାଙ୍କର ଲେଖା ପ୍ରାୟତଃ ପ୍ରକୃତି ଉପରେ ଲେଖା ହେଇଥାଏ ଆଉ କିଛି ଲେଖା ତାଙ୍କର ଥାଏ ମନୁଷ୍ୟ ସମାଜ ଉପରେ ଆଉ ଯୋଉଟା ସମାଜକୁ କିଛି ବାର୍ତ୍ତା ଦଉଥାଏ ବୁଝିହେଲା ଆଉ ହଁ and throughout his writing we can get meaningful sentences and some simple words ବୁଝିହେଲା but it gives or those words give a lot of meaning ବୁଝିହେଲା ଛୋଟ ବା ଅଳ୍ପ ଛୋଟ ଛୋଟ ସେଣ୍ଟେନ୍ସ ହଉ କି ଛୋଟ ୱାର୍ଡ ହଉ କିନ୍ତୁ ତାର ମର୍ମ ବା ତାର ଅର୍ଥ ଅଧିକା ଥାଏ ବୁଝିହେଲା କି ନାଇଁ so देखो वार्म अप लिखा है डू यू नो दिस पोएम वाज अ ग्रेट फेवरेट ऑफ जवाहरलाल नेहरू एक्चुअली इट इज अ फेवरेट पोएम ऑफ जवाहरलाल नेहरू हला जवाहरलाल नेहरू को एतला ଗୋଟେ फेमस पोएम so perhaps the poem reminded him on his responsibilities on the surface this is a simple poem the कौन लिखा है तावरे
The speaker stops his horse.
ठीक है the speaker stops his horse by some woods on a snowy evening he takes in the lovely फोड़ो এটা দেখা যাও না lovely scene near silence tempted to stay longer but acknowledges the pull of obligation and considerable distance yet to be traveled before he can rest for the night but all the तापर कौन लिखा है देखा जाओ ना what all the hello
but at the depot stops for a brief time
stops for a brief time to meditate and realizes that he needs to continue his journey a famous phrase and miles to go before I sleep not only refers to the physical distance the trip but also the long life ahead of him read the poem and feel how inspiring it is so we came to know about the writer Robert Frost who had written this poem which is known as Stopping by Woods on a Snowy Evening. He was an American poet. Okay, he was an American poet and most of his writings based upon nature. Okay, some of his writings also are based upon realistic feelings. We can, if we go through his poem, we can find different meanings and also we can find one more characteristic in his writing that most of his writings give a message to the society ବୁଝିହେଲା ପ୍ରାୟ ତାଙ୍କର ପ୍ରାୟ ପ୍ରତ୍ୟେକ ଲେଖା ପ୍ରକୃତି ଉପରେ ପର୍ଯ୍ୟବେସିତ ଆଉ ବହୁତ ଗ୍ରେଟ୍ ଥଟ୍ ନେଇକି ଆସିଥାଏ ଆଉ ଅନ୍ୟମାନଙ୍କୁ ପ୍ରେରଣା ବି ଦେବାରେ ସାହାଯ୍ୟ କରେ ବୁଝିହେଲା କି ନାହିଁ ଆଣ୍ଡ ହି ନେଭର ରାଇଟ୍ସ ବୋମ୍ବାଷ୍ଟିକ ୱାର୍ଡସ୍ ଇନ୍ ହିଜ୍ ରାଇଟିଂସ୍ ବୁଝିହେଲା ବା ତାଙ୍କର ରଚନାରେ ସେ କେବେ ବି ବୋମ୍ବାଷ୍ଟିକ ୱାର୍ଡ ଲେଖୁନଥିଲେ which was not that much difficult ଯୋଉଟା difficult ନଥିଲା ହଁ so the words if we go through we'll find that those are not that much difficulties as compared to other poets ବୁଝିହେଲା ଅନ୍ୟମାନଙ୍କର poet ମାନଙ୍କର ଅପେକ୍ଷା ଏଇଟା ବହୁତ difficult ନଥାଏ ବୁଝିହେଲା so we are directly coming to the text right now ବର୍ତ୍ତମାନ ଆମେ text ଉପରେ ପଢିବାକୁ ଯାଉଛୁ ହେଲା whose words these are I think I know whose words are these are I think I know ତାପରେ କଣ ଲେଖା ହେଇଛି ପଢିଲ
his house is in the village through he will see me stopping here to watch his field of with snow
his house is in the village through he will not see me stopping here to watch his woods fill off with snow hala so ଆମେ ଜାଣିଛୁ the heading which is given on the top of the text that stopping by woods on a snowy evening generally we know the meaning of wood wood ମାନେ ଜାଣିଛୁ ତ ଆମେ woods ମାନେ ଜଙ୍ଗଲ ଗଭୀର ବଡ଼ ଜଙ୍ଗଲ ସ୍ନୋ ମାନେ ଜାଣିଛେ କଣ
ସ୍ନୋ ମାନେ
ବରଫ in the evening ବୋଲି କହିଲେ ସନ୍ଧ୍ୟା ସମୟରେ ବୁଝିହେଲା so the writer stopped for a while with his horse in a wood ଜଙ୍ଗଲରେ ସେ କିଛି ସମୟ ପାଇଁ ରହି ଯାଇଛନ୍ତି ବୁଝିହେଲା actually he started his journey with his horse and he was about to reach somewhere gote jaga ku se grosto he had started his journey and in the middle of his journey he stopped somewhere and what was that somewhere actually that somewhere was a wood where did the writer stop joti writer rahi jaichandi se hoji gote gavira jangala and when did he arrive there ketebale se pahunchandi in the time of evening हाँ and what more scenario was there ଆଉ କ'ଣ ଅଧିକା scenario ସେଠି ଥିଲା ଯେ it was a snowy evening that means snows were falling down ବରଫ ପାତ ହଉଥିଲା and snows were falling down ଆସିକି ପଡୁଥିଲା ବରଫ ତୁଷାରପାତ ହଉଥିଲା so the writer Robert Frost witnessed those things ବୁଝିହେଲା along with his horse he was there with the writer was there with the horse he had started his journey before few moments ago and in the middle of his journey he stopped somewhere and what was that place what kind of place it was actually the scenario is mentioned by the writer here that it was during the time of evening and snows were falling down and he arrived there in the middle of the journey ଅଧା ଗ୍ରସ୍ତ କରିଛନ୍ତି ସେ ଜାଗାରେ ସେ ଅଟକି ଯାଇଛନ୍ତି କାହିଁକି ଅଟକି ଯାଇଛନ୍ତି that he was tempted by that place and he was attracted by that place which was so beautiful which was very beautiful ବୁଝିହେଲା and it will force anyone to stop there ये ଯେକୌଣସି ସିନାରିଓ ଏଭଳି ଥିଲା that ଯେକୌଣସି ଲୋକ ହଁ ନାଇଁ ଯେକୌଣସି ଲୋକଙ୍କୁ ବି ରଖିଦେବା ପାଇଁ ବାଧ୍ୟ କରୁଥିଲା and that is why for few moments the writer stopped there writer କିଛି ସମୟ ପାଇଁ ସେ ସେଠି ରହିଗଲେ whose woods these are I think I know his house is in the village through the writer feels himself ସେ ନିଜେ ଚିନ୍ତା କରୁଛନ୍ତି ଯେ ଦ ଓନର୍ ଅଫ୍ ଦ ଉଡ୍ ମାଇଟ୍ ବି ଷ୍ଟେଇଂ ନିୟର ବାଇ ଭିଲେଜ୍ ପାଖ ଭିଲେଜ୍ରେ ବା ଗାଁରେ ସେ ଜଙ୍ଗଲର ମାଲିକ ବା ସେ ଜମି ବା ସେ ଏରିଆର ମାଲିକ ରହିଥାଉ ପାରେ ବୋଲିକରି ସେ ଚିନ୍ତା କରୁଛନ୍ତି ବୁଝିହେଲା ହି ରିୟଲାଇଜେସ୍ ହିମସେଲ୍ଫ ବୁଝିହେଲା ହି ଷ୍ଟପ୍ ଫର୍ ଏ ହ୍ୱାଇଲ୍ ସେ କ'ଣ ପାଇଁ ରହିଲେ ୱି ନୋ ଦ୍ୟାଟ୍ ହି ୱାଜ୍ କମ୍ପ୍ଲିଟଲି ଆଟ୍ରାକ୍ଟେଡ୍ ବାଇ ଦ୍ୟାଟ୍ ପ୍ଲେସ୍ ଆଣ୍ଡ ଇଟ୍ ଫୋର୍ସଡ୍ ହିମ୍ ଟୁ ଷ୍ଟପ୍ ଦେୟାର ସେ ଜାଗା ରହିବା ପାଇଁ ତାଙ୍କୁ ସେ ଫୋର୍ସ କଲା ସେ ଜାଗା ହେଲା ସୁଚି ଆଫ୍ଟର ବିଂ ଷ୍ଟପ୍ ଫର୍ ଏ ହ୍ୱାଇଲ୍ ଦେୟାର ଇନ୍ ଦ୍ୟାଟ୍ ପର୍ଟିକୁଲାର ପ୍ଲେସ୍ ଦ ରାଇଟର thought about the owner of the woods ବୁଝିହେଲା and what did the writer think writer କ'ଣ ଭାବୁଥିଲେ ଏଠି ଯେ his house is in the village through that means the owner might be
ଟା କାହା ପାଇଁ ଲେଖା ହେଇଛି
କୋଉଟା
his କାହା ପାଇଁ ଲେଖା ହେଇଛି
whose
ସେ ମାଲିକ ପାଇଁ
ହଁ ମାଲିକ ପାଇଁ ଲେଖା ହେଇଛି ହଁ his house is in the village through तार घर पाखरे कोठी ही थाई पारे he might be staying nearby village बुझिएला but nobody will he will not see me stopping here he cannot, that means the owner cannot see me stopping here. Nobody will be able to find me here. ମତେ କେହି ଏଠି ଦେଖି ପାରିବେନି, ମତେ ଏଠି କିଏ ଖୋଜି ପାରିବେ ନାହିଁ, ବୁଝିଲା କି ନା ସେ କଥା ସେ କହୁଛନ୍ତି। he will not see me stopping here if the owner of the wood will not be able to see me here, ବୁଝିଲା, ମତେ ସେ ଦେଖି ପାରିବ ନାହିଁ। he will not see me stopping here to watch his boots fill up with snow, and nobody, the owner, will not be able to stop me to watch this scenario। ଏଇ ଯୋଉ ସିନେରୀ କୁ ଦେଖିବା ପାଇଁ ମତେ ସେ ମାଲିକ ନାଇଁ ସେ ମାଲିକ ବି ମତେ ରଖି ପାରିବ ନାହିଁ। nobody can stop me to watch that scenario। ମତେ କେହି ରଖି ପାରିବେ ନାହିଁ, ବୁଝିଲା କି ନାହିଁ। that means the writer has the writer has been attracted by that place and he is bound to stay for a while there because the place was something like that, there was something, and what I said about that it was full of snows, बुझिला, there was a slow wind, धीरे धीरे पवन भी बहुतला, बुझिला कि नहीं, and it was the time during the evening, संध्या समय रे, and when did he stop? in the middle of his journey। केतेबेले से अटकी जंदी तांकर, हां, actually it was out of expectation, the writer never felt that he would stop somewhere but he stopped for a while। राइटर जानी नथिले जे गोटे जगह से रहिबे बोली, काहेकि ना he has already fixed his destination, से तांकर लक्ष्य स्थल आगु फिक्स करिसंती, and it was out of expectation still he stopped there। से किंतु से जगह से रहि जाइचंती, हां, काहेकि रहि जाइचंती for that particular place which was full of beauty, बुझियला, सुंदर, हां, सुंदर माने जिनस सब सुंदर सीनरी थिला बोली करी से रहि जाइचंती। नाउ ही थिंक्स मोर अबाउट द ओनर, he might be staying nearby village। से वर्तमान से ओनर कथा भाबुचंती, से बोधे पाखो गां रे रहउथबो, but हां, but he, if he sees me, will not be able to stop me to watch the scenario। से जदी भी मते देखे से त मते पाइबो नै, he will not be able to find me, and if he finds me he will not be able to stop to watch the scenario। हां, माने ए जिनस को उपभोग करबी आ एटी मु किछ समय रहिबी, जदी भी से घर माने से माने येर मालिक जदी भी रहउथाय से पाकरे, से मते देखि परिबो नै, आ जदी भी देखे he will not see me or he will not be able to stop here, बुझियला, माने he cannot force me to watch the scenario। एटा नेक्स्ट आसीबा स्टांजा हमें, बुझियला, फर्स्ट स्टांजा बुझियला तो, it was during the time of evening, snow was falling down, the writer stopped in the middle of his journey, and along with the writer there was a horse, gote ghoda भी थिला। the writer had started his journey but he stayed at a place which was full of beauties, and now after being stopped for a while there he thought about the owner of the woods, and what he thought about the owner, that the owner might be staying nearby village but he would not, if he sees, he will not be able to stop me to watch the scenario, and he will not be able to find me। से मते देखि परिबो नै, आ जदी भी से मते देखे, जदी भी देखिला से मते अटके परिबो नै, and I am bound to watch the scenario। मो ए जिंसो जगह देखबा पे बाध्य हो बोल कर से कहउछन। So before that I mentioned you that there was a horse with the writer, नहीं कि राइटर से तो से गोटे घोड़ा भी थिला। so my little horse must think it queer, QUEER, माने कोन लेखा हिच को, स्ट्रेंजर, अननोन, अजणा, हला, अजणा, बुझियला, अपरिचित बा अजणा। so my little horse must think it queer to stop without a farmhouse near between the woods and a frozen lake, the darkest evening of the year, बुझियला। I told you that there was a horse with the writer, that means the writer started his journey on his horse, तांकर घोड़ा रे से यात्रा स्टार्ट करछन बोली कहउथली कि नै,